Hello, it's Sabia from Oldham Volkswagen, and today I'll be walking you through this approved used vehicle. This is a Volkswagen Polo Match 1.0 TSI, and it currently has around 2,200 miles on the clock with one previous owner. And it comes painted in the stunning deep black pearl effect, which looks absolutely fantastic, with a VW badge detail that's at the front and the rear of the vehicle. To minimise the risk of damaging the vehicle in any way, the powerful doing windows do fold when unlocked. And here are our stunning alloy wheels that really do complement the exterior finish very well, while offering a very stylish look to the car. And as we access the boot, you'll notice we have a fantastic and spacious boot size, large enough to fit stuff like shopping bags or even a pram, and we do have the additional storage space underneath there. Following on, we can see this Polo really does have some lovely and well-maintained interior, as you can see with ISO fixed points at the back, which makes this car perfect for families. And as we access the front of the car directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed car filled with fantastic features. And around you can see more in detail of the driver's cockpit with plenty of interesting features that we will touch on later. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice the multifunction steering wheel does have a nice leather grip, and we do have automatic headlights there, ensuring the O's in the correct times, alongside the window controls on the driver's door handle. Once this fantastic car comes to life, we can now gain access to the dashboard display, where we can view key information here like our mileage whilst on the move, and we do have our assist systems featuring your front assist, which warns the driver of impending collisions. Over to the infotainment screen with a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Heading to our App Connect, this offers the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing us to access driver-safe applications including Spotify, Apple Music and navigation. And with this stunning car, you do get your park pilot, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the front and rear sensors along with the rear view camera ensure safety, especially maneuvering out those busy places. And over to our climate controls, you'll notice we have our front heated seats with two different levels of heating to choose from, offering that cozy driving experience.